Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn about molecular mass and formula unit mass. Firstly, let's see what does mean by molecular mass. The molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of that substance. So, the molecular mass, it is the sum of the atomic masses. We already learned what is the atomic mass, isn't it? And this atomic mass, its unit is unified mass, that is denoted with the letter U, isn't it? So, the unit of this molecular mass, it is also the unified mass, that is U. So, now let's work out some examples of this molecular mass. First, let's calculate the molecular mass of water. We know water, it is a molecule and it contains 3 atoms. Which are the atoms present in water? There is hydrogen atoms and oxygen atom present in water, isn't it? And we know that the mass of one hydrogen atom, it is 1 U. And mass of one oxygen atom, it is 16 U. So, in water molecule, there are 2 hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom present, isn't it? So, the molecular mass of this water, it is 2 plus 16, that is 18 U, isn't it? Now, let's do another example. Next, let's calculate the molecular mass of nitric acid. What is the formula of nitric acid? It is HNO3, isn't it? That is the nitric acid. It contains 1 hydrogen atom, 1 nitrogen atom and 3 oxygen atoms, isn't it? And the mass of 1 hydrogen atom is 1 U. And the mass of 1 nitrogen atom, it is 14 U. And the mass of 1 oxygen atom, it is 16 U. Right. So, let's calculate the molecular mass of nitric acid. The molecular mass of nitric acid is equal to atomic mass of hydrogen plus atomic mass of nitrogen plus 3 into atomic mass of oxygen. So, the total molecular mass of nitric acid, it is 63 U. Next, we are going to calculate the formula unit mass. What is mean by formula unit mass? The formula unit mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms present in the formula unit of a compound. And this formula unit mass, it is also calculated in the same manner as we calculated the molecular mass of a compound. The only difference between the formula unit mass and the molecular mass is that we use the word formula unit for the substance whose constituent particles are ions. For example, sodium chloride. We know in sodium chloride, both sodium and chlorine are ions, isn't it? So, in such cases, we use the term formula unit mass instead of molecular mass. That is the only difference between this formula unit mass and molecular mass. Okay, so we use the term formula unit for what type of substance? For substances whose constituent particles are ions. Okay, so we can calculate the formula unit mass in the same manner as we calculated the molecular mass, that is sum of the atomic masses of all the constituent ions present in that formula unit. Okay.